What will I get if I win my case? A judge or a jury will decide your case if you have to litigate your case. And that award simply is money. But that money represents the damages and the harms and losses that you have incurred due to the wrongdoing of somebody else. Those damages and the harms and losses include your medical bills, your lost wages, any inconvenience, loss of enjoyment of life, pain and suffering, disfigurement, future medical bills, future pain and suffering. It encompasses so much, and the goal of that award for your damages and harms and losses is to make you whole. We all wish we had a magical wand that we could just take back time so that you wouldn't be injured at all. The only thing that Virginia law can do for you is to award that amount of money to try to be symbolic, if you will, of your harms and losses. If you have any questions about what I've just spoken about, please feel free to give me a call. Bettina Altizer with Altizer Law. I'd certainly be happy to answer any questions that you might have.